Temple gave me the opportunity to excel and recognized my potential in ways that a lot of other schools didn't. And they gave me a lot of unique opportunities.
A learning experience with understanding that there's other things going on here, and we get to meet so many other interesting people within science.
This is a very unique experience, and to also learn a lot about, how the forest is, learn a lot about the different types of insects and bugs out here in the forest.
I think that learning through hands-on, I know for me personally, it really helps me get a deeper understanding, and then I can really apply what I've learned into other aspects of my life. So just learning how to ID trees, I've been doing that at home, like not even here, which is very fun and interesting.